Hey lawn dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com. Hey, happy Tuesday to you. Hope you guys are doing good. First, let me apologize for not being really on schedule last week with the videos. My first full month of billing and kind of kicked my butt. But anyway, it was successful, and now we're gonna get back on schedule. So stick around and we'll see what's on tap for today. Be right back. Hey lawn dogs. So first thing I want to show you is what happened last week, and ask you if this has ever happened to you. So here's the footage. Here's the footage of that.
What the hell, lawn dogs? All right, so I don't know if you can see this. Let me turn this around. So there's my reel, and let's see where that's going. Oh wait, I just drove 30 minutes. And it goes all the way down the road. It unwound the whole way here. So now I gotta wind this back up. We'll see how long it takes me. Oh my God. That's too funny. Gee, I can see it. It goes, I don't know if you guys can see that. It goes all the way down the road. Oh, little things makes me laugh.
That's some funny crap, isn't it? I was driving as I pulled into the yard. A guy followed me in and said, "Hey, you know you got a yellow string like a mile down the road?" I'm like, "What?" And I look and I saw that and I laughed and he laughed because I tried not driving over it. So yeah, 12 minutes to reel that up. That was, geez. Oh well. That was kind of funny. Oh, anyway, I am on the way to the shop. Pick up Morgan for today, and we're gonna get some mowing done.
Hey lawn dogs, say something to the camera, Morgan.
Hi.
Hi, you ready to get your day going?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, hey, we're at this yard here. We're gonna get started, and I'm gonna have the helmet cam on, and we'll set this on the mower. So let's get going.
Hey Lone Dog, so my GoPro didn't record on my head on that last yard, so I'm gonna put this one on my head and I'm gonna set the GoPro up on a tripod. Well, not really on a tripod, I guess on my wheel well here. But you've seen these yards before. I got this house here, house over there, and another house down the road. So this is a 3-house stop, so it's kind of nice. I mow these 2 yards together. Sometimes I stripe them, same stripes. So depends what way I'm going. So let's get this going. Hey guys, my allergies are killing me. The only thing that helps me is Loratadine or Claritin, and I take Benadryl at night, and when I mow I have to have these SA masks, and I had to switch over to these sunglasses because they have the cushion here, so less stuff gets in my eyes. So I look like a samurai or a ninja or something, but these SA masks do help. Oh, what do you do for your allergies? Oh, if you even have allergies. Michigan here is bad, man, with the oak pollen, the cottonwood. Oh, all right, better get done. Better get this yard going. We'll see you in a bit. Hey, lawn dogs. I was getting ready to post this video yesterday, and I realized I didn't have an outro. And it was late, and I said the heck with it and went to bed. So I'm doing it now, and we're gonna get this posted on YouTube today. So anyway, hey, hope you enjoyed that. Every time I mess up, I call it pulling a Jessie. I guess you have to watch more videos to figure out why. But anyway, hey, always give maximum effort and be kind to everyone. We'll talk to you later. Floyd, I'm out.